Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So I've woken up with the spot on my face. It doesn't look too bad, but it's actually quite painful. I've spent the whole morning editing my advert clips that I'm sending off at the end of the day, or as soon as I've completely finished them. I'm just asked Hattie to come and watch them because I really want like an honest opinion. I want her to be like, oh no, this looks shit, or this could be better. I'm just going to get her to watch and hopefully she likes it. I really like how I've edited it. Like it's made it so much better, because I thought I was going to look so cringe and weird. But now that I've put it all, like the music, all of the like overlays and stuff, it looks a lot better than I imagined it to be. So I'm really happy to be sending those off today once I've finished and completed, and I'm happy fully with them. We'll carry on with the day. We're going to the gym a bit later, I'm not sure what time, and I have a lot of like lecture notes to catch up on, and I'll probably like talk you through all my different modules for this year, because a lot of people have said like share your work more, and I've always been a bit conscious to do so, because if you've watched my vlogs from last year, you'll know that my vlog accidentally went up a day early when like this exam was going over 3 days, and because I had my exam on the first day, it was like a crime scene house practical, and I basically was talking about it when people still hadn't done that, so it could have counted as collusion, which it technically was, but I didn't get into too much trouble because I was a first year. So I need to be really conscious with what I say and what I do, but I think I'll be able to talk about my course a lot more in detail. I think I'm going to do a main channel video where I literally talk all about forensic science and what I did last year, what I'm doing this year and what I'm doing next year, because a lot of people seem to be interested. I didn't think you would, that's why I don't really talk about my course in depth that much, just in case people are like, we don't actually care, we just want to see your student life. But yeah, I will do a video about that and talk about my modules a bit later, in case you guys wanted to know. Looked like I just died for some reason, but I'm just in the kitchen like doing loads of notes. As you can see, I'm like here, and I've decided that at the weekends, if I haven't like written all, whoa, something's happening upstairs, if by the weekend I haven't like caught up on notes like from lectures, because sometimes some lecturers go really quick through their notes or have like so much information on a slide that I can't write it down in the space of time. I obviously have to catch up lecture notes afterwards, which quite a lot of people do, because I do write fast but not fast enough as some lecturers go, so I have to like catch up on notes. That's what I'm doing now. But I've like told myself that if throughout the week I haven't got them done, then they're getting done at the weekend, so that I can start like the Monday fresh and have like no extra like lecture notes to catch up on, and it's just like extra reading and things like that. So currently catching up on some notes. I'm just annoyed because my the notes on my advanced ESI lecture that happened on like Tuesday or Wednesday during the week are still not up on the system, and towards the end the slides were getting quicker and quicker and I couldn't keep up, so I just gave up. I just spoke about it in a vlog, so I'm still waiting for them to be put up, which is annoying, so that might have to wait until whenever it gets uploaded. But right now I am catching up on my molecular biology notes. We were doing abiogenesis on Friday, which is all about the origin of molecular life, which is something that sounds so interesting, I know, but it was kind of weird because it was more like a philosophy lesson. Like he was asking us, do we believe aliens exist, and things about life before humans, and it kind of was weird. But I did learn, I never knew this, it's probably like a general fact for everyone else, but I didn't know that Homo sapien, which is the Latin term for human, means wise men, because the Victorians were really obnoxious and thought we were like the best people on the planet, I guess. So yeah, that's why we're called Homo sapiens. Yeah, I'm just copying out these notes and then I'll catch up with you. Let's go, let's do a little time lapse of me doing some work, because it makes me motivated. This is a good thing about having a YouTube channel that is focused around like studying and uni life, because it actually motivates me to do work when I've got the camera on here. Yeah. So if you've never tried drinking upside down when you've got the hiccups, it actually works. I've literally just been
It does work. It works every time.
Yeah, I just sat having the hiccups and I just drank like this. Like if you just get a mug's quite good because it's got quite a big circumference. can get quite messy and funny when you haven't done it for the first time. Like, I remember I was giggling like, this is so funny, I'm thinking upside down. But like when you get used to it, it's so easy.
It works. Then,
literally
life hacks. Bye.
So, is it 4 o'clock now?
Yeah.
So it's just gone 4 o'clock and we're en route to the gym. It's literally just over here. We're going to do some legs today. Exciting? Yeah, we're not going to be in for long because we have so much shit to do later. We have to watch Strictly. No, we're watching Imogen's vlog whilst we cook our dinner. Maybe some Shane Dawson while we're at it. Then Strictly, then The Cry, which is a new BBC drama. That's right, isn't it? Yeah. And then, the final thing? The Circle. So yeah, we've got a lot to do tonight, so might not be in here for long. Right, so it's the following day. I'm really sorry that this vlog is really short, but it was very productive for me anyway. And I hope you enjoyed just seeing me go about my chilled Sunday, getting work done and going to the gym and stuff, and I had like a healthy dinner. Let me know what you did today, or like on Sunday, because I know either people make it like a really productive day or a really chilled day. I sort of mix between the two, but I quite liked being productive on Sunday because it made me get a lot of work done, and now I'm up to date on everything apart from that one lecture that guy still hasn't put up. But yeah, make sure to stick around for tomorrow because I'm doing a lot of things on Monday. As I'm not in uni, I'm just doing a lot of blogging things. So if you are interested in that stuff, then stick around for tomorrow. If not, then Tuesday I'll be back at uni and there'll be more uni vlogs. So hit a thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're new. Thank you very much for watching today's vlog, and I will see you tomorrow for another one.